this is part 1 of my survival slash camping trip, and I'll be showing all the things I brought with me. So, I brought my pellet gun, and binoculars, water bottle, utensils, probably won't be using them though. Fishing line, knife sharpener, some rope, and I have some fishing lures in here, and some extra pellets. This is my survival book, just in case I need to figure something out. I brought some water for cooking with, a little bit of salt, sugar, and most important of all, coffee. Also, I have some Strike Anywhere matches and some zip ties, and a frying pan, some tea, and my bow gun. Oh yeah, also I have some fletching stuff here, so if I need to make any arrows for a homemade bow, maybe later on, then I can do that. So I'm going to leave everything here for right now, and I'm going in the back and try and shoot something.